guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, thanks for watching, and if you're not, thanks for coming back. Today I have a pack of colors. These are from Amazon, and they are the Coscelia brand of gel polish, and these were only $10 for this. So I'm here to test them out and see if they are any good. Sometimes you can't judge things by the price just because it's cheap. Might not, or they might be still good. And it does come with these, they're little stickers that you can paint on the colors, I guess, for the top. Alright, comes with a manual and 4 boxes straight from the 80s or 90s. And let's see what's inside. Alright, so each box has 5 colors and 7 mils each. And just like to note that these are plastic. Let's see if they're all that way. And yes, they are. So they're all plastic containers. Alright, let's get to swatching, see how they are. Okay, so what I did notice is that these actually are group. They were probably like that in the box, but I didn't take notice since I just dumped them all out. But these ones here are XS1 through 5, and these ones here are QZ 1 through 4, and then we have MDs 1 through 6. Yep. And then we have RD 1 through 4, and then we have Alone SC01. Might as well start with this one. It's a different color. I'm just wondering if this is like a cat eye gel. I don't know where I put my... Oh well, I'll test that out another time, I guess. I don't know where I put my magnet at. And next we'll do these ones here. This one's RD01. It's a neutral, dark neutral. So another neutral. This one's on the peachy side. Another neutral, just be good for a darker skin tone. It's got a little pink in it. Okay, so this is obviously their nudes box here that I opened. Alright, I'm going to dry those, put those in the lamp. Okay, so this is what they cured up to be. Not that they change colors. And to make it easier on myself, I just pre-labeled these. So let's see what these ones are. XS01s. Oh, we have like a milky sheer white. It's actually very pretty. Okay, these must be all glitters. So then we have a light pink. Light yellow. Like a bubblegum pink. And a lighter shade of pink there. And actually these colors are pretty pretty. They're nice. Alright, there's those all done. Alright. Next we're going to do the Indigo one. These are all pretty dark colors so far. They have a thick consistency. Oh, I already screwed up. I already messed up. Put the 3 on the 2. Alright. Lighter shade. tan color. Brown. And last one for the MD06. Gray. Alright, now we're on to the QZ01. Ooh, that was surprising. Definitely packed full of glitter. Like, it's thick. It's jam-packed full of glitter. So now I guess we have the gold. Okay, this is much more smooth. The glitters are smaller. If you look compared to the silver, that's like thick chunks. And we have a pink. And actually this looks like it's more like this. Should be in with these. Oh, then we got a purple. And that's got some hollow in there. It's pretty as well. Alright, this is what we got. My thoughts, some pretty colors in here, definitely. Consistency was okay. Even though this one was so chunky, it was actually hard to spread, if you know what I mean. For $10, is it worth $10? Sure. It's like 50 cents a bottle. Now, the bottles it's only 5 mils. No, sorry, 7 mils. They are plastic. They're, you know, not quality. But for $10, sure. And one more thing that I want to do is I want to re-swatch that first one. I found my magnet, so just want to, just curious. And the verdict, not cat eye. No. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and it really helps my channel out. And until next time, bye.